Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Southern Coastal Highway, or some people refer to it the St. Thomas Highway, and we're taking a tour to look at how far the construction has reached on this new highway. Now we are on the section of the highway between the Yallas Bridge. This is section 1A, between Yallas Bridge and Kingston. This road will actually run from the Yallas Bridge to the Harbour View Bridge. And we are on the section between the Sun Coast Adventure Park and 11 Miles Bull Bay. Now this section is going to be 4 lanes. This is a new road that was built through the hills. At certain points, the highway runs along the existing road. So the existing road will be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes in some sections. In some sections, a new road will be built. This is one section. Another section is from Grand Spence to Albion. A new road was built in certain parts. But where possible, the road runs along the existing roadway. Some sections will be 4 lanes, some sections will be 2 lanes. So we're taking a tour of this section. Now this project started in 2017, and it's to build 110 kilometers of roadway, build or rehabilitate 110 kilometers of roadway between Kingston and Port Antonio. This entire project is scheduled to be completed in 2025, but as we said, it's being built in phases. So as each phase is finished, they'll open the road. And some sections of the road are finished and you can drive on them. Okay, the government of Jamaica has a vision of this is the premise behind the Southern Coastal Highway. The government of Jamaica has a vision of major highway facilities running along the coast around the entire island. This is to ensure effective access to towns and natural resources along the coastline. The North-South Highway was the first phase, and the second phase is the Southern Coastal Highway. Now the Southern Coastal Highway will have 2 segments. Segment 1 will be from Kingston to Port Antonio, and segment 2 will be from Negril to Mandeville. So from Kingston to Port Antonio is the Southern Coastal Highway, which is the roadway that's under construction now. From Port Antonio to Negril is a Northern Coastal Highway, which is built, but it's going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. But that road is built and it runs from Port Antonio to Negril, and then from Negril to Mandeville will be segment 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project, and that will involve building a highway through Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth and Manchester, and the Negril to Mandeville Highway will be 130 kilometers long. So it's going to be even longer than this section of the highway, which is 110 kilometers. And then in Mandeville, the highway will connect to the Highway 2000 project, which takes you from Mandeville all the way back to Kingston. So you can drive around the entire coast of Jamaica on a highway. So that is the government's plan. And the Port Antonio to Portland leg is going to be 110 kilometers, and it's going to run through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas and Portland. As we said, it's being built in phases. So phase 1A, let's go through the phases for you. Phase 1A will run from Kingston to Yallas. Phase 1B will run from Yallas to Morant Bay, and phase 1A is the road we're driving on now. Phase 1C will be from Morant Bay to Manchinal. Phase 1D will be from Manchinal to Boston. Phase 1E will be from Boston to Ferry Hill. Phase 1F will be from Ferry Hill to Williamsfield, and Phase 1G will be from Williamsfield to Port Antonio. And that's not Williamsfield in Manchester, that's Williamsfield in Portland. I'm not sure why they do it that way, but a lot of, you have like Grandspend in Kingston, and you have Grandspend in Portland, you have Williamsfield in Portland, and you have Williamsfield in Manchester, but that's just how it is. Okay, so we'll continue the tour, but as you can see, this is going to be a very nice highway. Okay, there is actual construction work going on, so we don't want to interfere with it. Okay, all right, I think we're good now. So this section of the highway looks like it's going to open soon. The project started in 2017 and it's scheduled to end in 2025. However, there have been a few hiccups along the way, and certain sections of the highway are delayed. We have other videos up about that. We won't bother getting to that today, but this section looks like it's going to be completed soon. Now remember, this section was built through the hills, so this is a new road. It doesn't interfere with the existing road in any way. At the end of this road, it merges back to the existing road, which is being extended into 4 lanes. So on the left you have some homes, but those homes, well, the highway will be free, so there is no toll on this road, so it shouldn't really interfere with the persons getting to and from their home. Not sure where they would drive, however, but I'm sure a road will be put in. Well, they got here before the highway was built, so there must be a way for persons to get there. Those are homes on the left, and straight ahead, that's the 11 miles area in Bull Bay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of the construction, and if you have any information you want to add, we'll be happy to use it in future videos. Alright guys, have a good day.